Atomic Habits by James Clear isn't just a book about routines. It's a blueprint for transformation. It shows you how to master the hidden mechanics behind real, lasting change. Whether you want to get fit, build discipline, stop procrastinating, or become the best version of yourself. This book delivers the method, not just the motivation, the core message. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. This book demolishes the idea that you need massive motivation or wild discipline to change your life. Instead, James Clear gives you something much more powerful. A system of tiny habits that compound over time. Let's break it down. What are atomic habits? Atomic means small, but also powerful, like atoms. Habits are the automatic routines that shape your identity and your destiny. So, atomic habits are tiny daily actions that seem small in the moment, but lead to massive changes over time. Whether it's reading 10 minutes a day, doing 10 push-ups, or writing one sentence, the point is consistency over intensity. The 4 laws of behavior change. Make it obvious. Redesign your environment so the good habit is front and center. Cue your brain to act automatically. Make it attractive. Use temptation bundling. Pair what you want to do with what you need to do. Make the habit something you look forward to. Make it easy, reduce friction, lower the entry barrier. Focus on showing up, not being perfect. Don't set the bar too high, just make it a non-negotiable. Make it satisfying, reward your progress, feel the win. Track your success. This reinforces the behavior and makes you want to do it again. Identity-based habits. The real power move most people try to change by focusing on goals. I want to lose weight. I want to make more money. But Clear flips the script. He says, don't focus on the goal. Focus on the identity. Ask yourself, what would a healthy person do? What would a disciplined person do? What would a successful creator do? Every time you act in alignment with your desired identity, you cast a vote for who you're re-becoming. And over time, you don't just change what you do, you change who you are. Why this book hits hard? Because it removes the excuses. It doesn't matter if you're not motivated today. It doesn't matter if your past was chaotic. If you can make a 1% improvement every day, you win the long game. Atomic Habits teaches you how to master the invisible forces that shape your life and take full control of your direction. You don't need to do everything at once. You just need to start small. Stay consistent and trust the process.